guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I did a prank on Eric. So Eric right now is in the room still asleep, and I'm gonna give him cereal. Well, that's what he's gonna think. He's gonna think it's cereal, but it's actually dog food. So I'm gonna combine his actual cereal and dog food together and give it to him. Like, I hope we get a good reaction out of him. It's been a while since we even put out any pranks on our channel, so hopefully I get him good. You guys see a good reaction, I get a good reaction. Hopefully he don't get too upset and flip out. Anyways guys, please like and subscribe and become part of the post notification squad. So I'm gonna show you guys me, put in the process, and then I'm gonna set up the camera and we're gonna get right into this. So let's get it. Hey, babe, babe, look, I made you some cereal. Come on, it's time for you to get up. Babe, come on. Am I not the best? Let me know if you need anything else.
That's salty.
What's salty?
Cereal.
I don't know.
It's salty.
Salty as in what?
Huh?
Salty as in what?
Like somebody put salt in it.
I don't know.
What you did to this?
What do you mean?
You did something to this.
No, I did not.
Tastes different.
What do you mean by it tastes different? It's cereal.
Don't taste the same.
I don't understand.
You did something to this.
No, I did not.
So you eat it then.
Why should I eat it? I don't want cereal. I already ate. I already ate, man. I don't want it.
Alright, take a bite.
Take a bite for what? Why you want me to take a bite?
Don't taste right.
Babe, there's nothing wrong with the cereal. You just woke up. So it's all in your head.
Tastes salty.
No, it doesn't.
It does. Put salt in this?
No.
What you did to it?
I didn't do anything to it, babe. Gosh, just eat the damn cereal.
Alright, whatever. Some of these cereals are hard though.
What? What you said?
I don't want no more.
Alright, eat the cereal.
No.
What do you mean no? Babe, come on. You want me to feed you?
You eat it.
Why do I want it? Why? No.
Salty ass cereal.
Babe, the cereal is fine. You're just
Reese's
bugging.
Puff is not supposed to be salty.
Why not?
Just who put salt in cereal?
Nobody puts salt in the cereal.
You did.
No, I did not. It's all in your head.
So what you did to it?
Nothing.
Yeah, you did something to the cereal.
You just take away food.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. You just wasted the cereal.
You did something to the cereal. What you did to the cereal?
I didn't do anything to the cereal, babe. Why you want to believe something was done to the cereal? Give me a kiss.
My breath smell like dog food.
What?
Did you put dog food in the cereal?
I did not put dog food in the cereal.
You put dog food in the cereal.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
I did, babe. It's a prank.
That's not supposed to be a prank.
Yes.
You want to know how I know what dog food tastes like?
You know what?
Remember we did that video with Cal and Garen?
Oh, yeah.
Didn't I eat dog food?
How was it, though?
I know how it tastes. Salty.
Babe.
No.
Babe. Babe, you mad?
No, I'm not. But why would you put dog food like...
'Cause
What
it's
if I was allergic?
It's a prank, babe.
What if I was allergic to the dog food?
You're not allergic to the dog food. Tell them how you feel. Come on, tell them how you feel.
I'm about to show them how I feel.
What are you doing?
What? I'm about to show you something. Huh?
No, move away from me, Eric.
Huh?
No, stop.
You don't want to try it?
No.
You got me at eating dog food.
You're mad or not? It tastes good, babe.
Just taste one.
No, hell no.
Alright, just one.
Hell no.
No, for real.
Hell no, for real.
Just taste one. Cause you had me eating dog food.
No. Anyways, guys, please like and
Taste
I'm
one.
not eating that.
Come on,
You're
just
bugging.
one.
No, please like and subscribe,
Just
guys.
one.
No.
Just one little.
No. Anyways, guys, please like and subscribe. And somebody salty. Get it? Salty.
Plain jokes.
Alright, guys. See y'all on the flip side.